Collet maintenance on your imes-icore 350i machine. The maintenance should be performed at least once every 7 days. When performing the collet maintenance, you want to have your collet maintenance kit available. This kit includes the collet nut, collet lubricant, felt spindle brush, a wire brush, and lastly, a bar to clean the water nozzles. To start the collet maintenance, press the icon on the screen and move the mill into the service position. The mill will start by putting the current tool held in the collet back into its tool holder position and then finally move to a forward position, allowing you to perform the maintenance. On screen, you will see a message stating you can begin servicing the collet and that once you are finished, to hit the green check mark to pick up the displayed tool and move back to the home position. Taking the collet nut in any available tool, insert the tool through the collet nut and then into the collet. Once the tool is in the collet, fit the nut over the collet and begin to turn clockwise to unscrew the collet. After you remove the collet, use the felt spindle brush to clean the inside of the spindle out. Now let's focus on the collet that we removed. First, take the wire brush and clean the inside of the collet out. Be sure to angle the brush up against the sides of the inside of the collet to remove any debris. Next, take the lubricant and squeeze a very small amount onto your fingertip, and then wipe that on the back of your hand. What remains on your fingertip is enough to begin applying the lubricant. The lubricant should only be applied on the lower flat sides of the collet, and not in the openings between the flat sides. After applying the remaining lubricant on your fingertip, pick up more lubricant from the back of your hand and continue this process. Now that the collet has been cleaned and lubricated, let's put the collet back in the spindle and screw it back in by hand. Once it is screwed all the way in by hand, we will then place the collet nut and tool back into the collet and turn counterclockwise this time to tighten the collet. After the collet is tight, you can close the door and press the green check mark on screen. This will tell the mill to pick up the tool in the position displayed on screen, and then move to the home position. You have completed the 350i collet maintenance.